NMAX, how to change fuel consumption metrics. First thing, you have to know that there is only one button, menu. There is no other button. This is the menu to control the indication here. There is no other button that you can press, only this. With this you are supposed to do anything. Wait there. It's all closed. You press menu and stay. Then you open all, two skulls, clack clack, and you wait. I'm still waiting here, and then it's blinking. Come to see what I see. Now it became like this. Now I'm using the only one button, as I told you before, and I click. Then it's mile per gallon, okay, for America. Then I click again, it's kilometer per liter. How many kilometers you can do with 1 liter? And then I click again. This is if you do 100 kilometers, how many liters you do? And I want this, okay? To keep this, I press and wait. Boom! This is it. Go back, please. One more time, explanation. Moto is closed. I press here, the menu, and I'm still pressing it. I open, I'm still pressing. I don't leave it. And here you are. And when you wait there, and when you press and choose what you want, by clicking here, okay, then you long press and this will memorize, and that's all you need to know.